It's bird nesting season time, everybody. Welcome to Gardening with Ben. And bird nesting season means that the birds are looking for somewhere to start nesting, ready for making their little babies this year, and hopefully new birds down in the garden. And blue tits are one of my favourite birds what I have at the allotment. They're absolutely gorgeous, and they are beneficial to the garden. They'll go around eating all the bugs, all the slugs, and I've had birds nesting on my allotment before. I put up some bird houses one year on one day, and within an hour they'd moved in and they'd started looking in them to seeing about nesting. So have a look and get yourself some bird houses up, because it is beneficial to the allotment. Now I've got them pointing one direction and they seem to like that direction. One of my plot neighbours had them pointing another direction and they'd never got any birds in their blue tit houses. So they moved them to the same position that mine were pointed in, and straight away they got blue tits nesting in them. So they do need to be positioned in a certain way, I believe. So have a look at that and see about which position they need to be facing. So how can we encourage the birds to move into the blue bird houses? Well, one of my tips is obviously feed them, and if there's food around, the birds will think, oh, it's easy to access the bird food around here, so we're going to move in. So I'm going to put some bird food near my bird houses to hopefully encourage the blue tits to move into them, because we want to see them fledge again. That was so amazing the other year, seeing them like peeking through the hole and getting ready to move out. And yeah, it's going to be a great year. So let's have a look at our bird houses and let's look at getting some food up. So these are my bird houses that I've got on my plot. Absolutely amazing. And yeah, I got them off Amazon. Absolutely brilliant. Make sure that you've cleaned them out. If you've got bird houses on your plot, the birds won't move in if there's been signs of bugs in there or old nests in there. So clean them out, disinfect them, and get them back up. Now is the perfect time to do it. And these are near my plum tree, so it's a perfect area for them to get bugs and grubs and enjoy. But let's get some bird food up and let's get them ready for nesting. So we've got our bird food up. We've got some seed up, which they absolutely love eating the seed. Even the squirrels will pinch it, but oh well, we have to do these things. And blue tits absolutely love fat balls. Gives them energy and they love them. And they just nibble it down. Mine lasts forever. The fat balls, they last about 2 to 3 weeks, whereas the seed will be gone down within a few days. But yeah, the fat balls are brilliant, so we need to get them out of them, to be honest. But yeah, hopefully the birds will find these feeders and hopefully find their homes for this year down at the plot. So it's going to be a good year for the birds this year down at the plot. We've also filled up all the feeders on the arches as well. So yeah, hopefully get lots of birds coming down and hopefully finding a new home down on the allotment. So yeah, I do love to look after them. Yes, it can attract rats, it can attract mice, and definitely the squirrels, but I don't mind. As long as they don't damage all my crops, we're perfectly fine with it all. So make sure you hit that follow button to stay up to date with everything that we're getting on with down here at the allotment. Look after the birds this bird nesting season. Until next time, everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.